Okay, today I have an Abus 8345 with a Schlage Keyway. Okay, the lock does work. Okay, it is not a key retaining lock. You can remove the key with the lock open. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. So let's put it in the vise and open it up, take a look at the pins. We're going to try to use the top of the Keyway. Okay, we're going to use top of the Keyway. And let's use this pick. Start the front. Look like a little bit on 1 and 2 and 3, 4. A little bit on 6 then. 2 and 1. Let's go back to the back. Okay, that's some more on 6. Let's check our pin 2. Okay, there's pin 2. Give us a turn on the plug. Let's go to the back. Okay, pin 1, and it's open. That was nice lock to open. Took a little while. So let's see if we can open the lock up. Take a look at the pins. Okay. Let's lock it back up until we get that clip off. We have the key so we can get back into it. Okay, there went the clip flying somewhere, so we'll have to find it later. Okay, just 1 second. Thought I had my follower, but I didn't have it. Okay, let's take a look at the plug first. Okay, it has all 6 pins, and they are working. Serrated, 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 serrated. I believe maybe they're not serrated. You know, when you get old, you get blind. Okay, no threading in the plug. Let's take a look at the top pins now. Okay, there's pin 1. Pin 2. Pin 3. 4. Okay, 5 and 6. Okay, there has not been any threading on the Bible. Let's take a close look at these pins. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's standard pin, standard pin, standard pin. We have a spool, double spool, and the top on this one. This is a serrated with a little spool. This is another serrated pin. Okay, on the 4, 5, and 6, all the bottom pins are standard. This is another serrated spool, serrated pin, and a serrated pin. Okay, that's what we have in this Abus with a Schlage keyway. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.